Hello everyone, welcome to my channel God's Own Vlogger. Please support my channel by subscribing and liking the video. Today we are going to talk about Yamaha Ray-ZR 125 V. Yamaha has unveiled the all-new BS6 compliant Ray-ZR 125 V. Yes, the Ray-ZR has received a bigger 125cc motor. The Japanese bike maker hasn't launched the scooter yet, so we don't know its price, but we expect it to be around 10,000 rupees more expensive than the older model. The new 125cc motor is fuel injected and adheres to the new BS6 emission norms. This motor churns out 8.2 PS and 9.7 Nm of torque, which is 1 PS and 1.6 Nm more than its predecessor. At 58 kmpl, the motor is 16% more efficient than the older 110cc motor. The old Gen Ray-ZR was one of the sportiest looking scooters out there. And the new 125cc variant follows the same design language as the older model, which is a good thing. Unless you look at its front, which looks a bit weird with the new logo on the top. And if you want to go for mild off-roading, Yamaha has the Street Rally variant for you, which comes with knuckle guards and dual-purpose tires. It gets LED DRLs, a digital instrument console, a quiet engine starty and side stand engine cutoff. However, we were expecting the bike maker to equip the scooter with some additional equipment such as a USB port and an underseat light. Suspension hardware remains the same as before with telescopic fork at the front and a monoshock at the rear. While the base variant gets drum brakes, the top spec model comes equipped with disc drum brake setup with UBS. Moreover, at 99 kg, the new Ray-ZR 125 V is the lightest scooter in its segment. Well, Yamaha hasn't revealed the booking details as yet, but expect the bike maker to commence deliveries from next month. The new BS6 Ray-ZR 125 V is likely to be priced at 69,000 rupees, which is around 10,000 rupees more than the older model. Considering that it gets a bigger engine, new features and a completely new look, we think that's a fair price hike. For more information, check the description box. Please support my channel by subscribing and liking the video.